Forget deepfakes. OmniHuman on Promptus just changed video creation forever. Today marks a huge breakthrough in AI video generation. Welcome to the new update, OmniHuman 1.5, released just hours ago. From now on, you won't just be generating videos. You'll be a director of actors, the avatars, guiding them through your creative vision. Let's see how this cutting-edge technology can turn your prompts into digital magic. Let's start with Duet Realism. The latest release now brings enhanced multi-character coordination.
Cities breathing slow. We're standing under the neon glow.
Wait. Did you see that little look he gave her at the end? Hold on, let me go back. Yes, right there. It's crazy what these models can do now. Notice how avatars didn't only sync lip and voices, but also interacted with each other in real time, capturing the subtle glances that I mentioned before, and natural timing for complex performances. OmniHuman 1.5's upgraded gesture engine recognizes and animates intellectual characters in ways it never could before. Take this video of Einstein, for example. Notice how when he's talking, he's demonstrating each question with expressive hand movements, and he's even giving contextual reactions, all of which is powered by the model's advanced semantic understanding.
But the mathematical description of velocity is moot, unless we can define time.
Just look at it. Do you see how the shadows are all like syncing up, and you can even see where he's erased stuff on the board and now he's written on top of it? Crazy attention to detail. Even ultra-realistic emotions are possible, all thanks to facial muscle modeling. The character I'm going to show you now is going to laugh. And when I say laugh, I mean she's going to cackle. Just watch. Wow, did you see she even leaned back into the laughter and just kept going? It feels like you're almost in the room with her watching the same, maybe she's watching a couple TikToks from Promptus. So this new model, as you can see, is giving you access to dynamic micro-expressions, genuine posture changes, and synchronized reactions. Look at how all of that came from just a simple input. This is really starting to bridge the gap between digital and human authenticity. Today's release also includes next-generation environmental rendering. In this next video, you can see the man singing on a train as he gets up and walks around the cabin. But we're not just following him. With the camera angle, as he's standing up, you'll be able to see the background rise up with him without changing any of the houses. It's crazy, take a look.
I found a thread on a forest floor, golden like the sun that never shuts the door. It whispered secrets, soft and slow, of places I've been too scared to go.
So you can see that not only is his performance adapting to the different camera angle changes, but also the lighting is completely changing. As I mentioned, the little houses are moving along with him, and you can see that they've stayed the same, in the same position. Everything is changing in real time, giving you that real immersive visual storytelling that you're not going to get from very many other AI models. For those of you that like a little bit more dramatics in your storytelling, we also have this really cool cowboy example. Take a look at him.
Who's that stumbling around in the dark? State your business or prepare to get winged.
Not me. Doesn't it feel like you're really being threatened by him? So we've seen our cowboy's language, voice, and body all put together and synchronized in just one shot. So every gesture is as powerful and believable as a real actor's. No manual animation needed. These new features aren't just technical upgrades. They're creative game changers for educators, marketers, content creators, and of course, you. Ready to bring your world to life? You can access OmniHuman's 1.5 release now on Promptus. Right in the ecosystem you already know and love. Start generating the future of video. Just type your prompt, use a sample image, and hit generate. The new OmniHuman engine can transform your ideas into cinematic AI videos, realism, emotion, multi-character scenes, dynamic backgrounds. It's all here and it's all accessible to everybody on Promptus. The future of videos begins today. Discover the world of OmniHuman 1.5's new features over on Promptus, and develop some of your own unforgettable stories. If you don't want to miss out on the next big update, hurry up and hit subscribe and join our Promptus YouTube channel, where we're going to be bringing you through with tutorials, model comparisons, and so much more content for you to enjoy. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video.